guys, welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. My name is Suniil and today I'm gonna make potato salad. Do you know where is potato salad from?
I don't know, Suniil. Can you let me know?
Potato salad is come from Germany.
Okay, so we have a beautiful garden at the back of us today, right? That's
Right.
our own garden. We do grow some vegetables. One of the ingredients needed for potato salad would be spring onion. Am I correct, Suniil?
Yes.
Okay, so we do grow spring onions at home. Do you know it's easy to grow spring onions at home?
Yes.
We just need the roots, put it in a pot of sand, and it's ready. So Suniil, can we pluck some spring onions for the recipe later?
Sure.
We are back in our kitchen. Suniil, can you please let us know what are the ingredients needed for the potato salad?
Yes. Well, the first ingredients is pepper, spring onions, 1 egg,
Okay.
2 tablespoons of mayonnaise,
Okay.
salt. That is a very important thing for dishes,
Okay.
for all kinds of dishes, because if you've got no salt, you got no taste.
Okay.
Then 2 potatoes.
Okay. How much spring onion are we using today? A bunch? Can I say it's a bunch?
Yes.
A bunch. Okay. So, are you going to let us know what you're going to do with the potatoes?
We're going to boil the potatoes and we're going to make it into cubes.
Okay. So you boil the potatoes with just water, or do you need to add salt?
You have to add salt. You have to add salt for the boiling water.
Okay. So let's now start boiling the potatoes. We'll come back soon on how to mix all the ingredients together. Okay, I can see the potato and the eggs have already been boiled and prepared. Suniil, maybe you can show us how to do this potato salad?
Yeah, sure. First, take the boiled egg.
Okay.
Take out the yolk. Slowly. Take one side. Then you put the mayonnaise in. Mix it.
We have combined the egg yolks and mayonnaise nicely. So what do we do next, Suniil?
You put the potatoes.
Okay.
So we put the potatoes first.
Do we need to add anything else in it before we mix it?
Yes, egg white.
Okay. Spring onions, salt, pepper. Is it time to put it right now, Suniil?
Yes.
How much salt are we using today?
We are using pinch of salt.
Okay. Anything else?
Pepper.
Okay. We are using freshly ground black pepper today. Okay. Easy peasy potato salad is ready. Just a few more stirs and it will be ready. We will show you the final dish at the end of this video.